We were invited to a Tom Petty concert in Kansas City by our friend who worked for Tom on his last tour. After the sound check, we took a walk down to the nearby Missouri River right at sunset. The sky looked dramatic that evening, layered with rolling clouds and warm light painting the horizon. I stood on the Riverfront Heritage Trail in Kansas City, ready to capture its spirit. With each step along the trail, I felt the echoes of connection past and present, people, places, and moments. What is it about a place like this that draws people in? Is it the way the railings hold not just locks, but promises? Or is it the steady presence of the bridge, a silent witness to time's passing? As I set up my camera, these questions filled my mind, trying to honor what the trail means to many. The Riverfront Heritage Trail has a way of telling its story without a single word. From the locks placed lovingly along the railing to the historic bridges crossing the river, it feels alive. Each padlock represents someone's belief in connection, romantic, familial, or even personal. I found myself thinking about the stories behind them as I framed my shot. When I got there, the wind was calm, but the scene itself carried a quiet energy. As I leaned over the rusty railing, I noticed a couple had just added a new lock. They smiled at each other before walking away, leaving a small piece of their story behind. That moment was my inspiration for this photograph. I crouched slightly to capture the locks in the foreground, while showcasing the grand bridge in the background. I wanted the photo to highlight the trail as character, the balance between human touch and Kansas City as industrial charm. When I finally clicked the shutter, I knew I had caught it. The unique blend of emotions and history made the Riverfront Heritage Trail a hero in its own right. It's a connection point, a keeper of stories, and a quiet reminder of what truly matters.